Hello guys, isa na namang napakagandang lugar ng Norway. Iikutin natin, magbabayad tayo guys. Kasi presko, ang kagandahan dito kasi guys, pagka dito ka nagbabay, malamig, hindi mainit. So, ganda pa ng hangin, walang pollution. So, let's go guys. Bike tayo. So, para sa mga friends ko na yan, this guy, I am here in Eastford, Norway. I have to roam around with our bicycle. So, I hope you enjoy watching this video guys, because there are few good plays captured by my cell phone. So, enjoy guys. Thank you very much for watching.